Ingredients: loin roast beef pre-cooked or deli-sliced, baguette or your preferred bread, olive oil or mayonnaise, Dijon mustard or horseradish optional, lettuce leaves, tomato slices, red onion slices, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prepare the bread. If using a baguette, slice it lengthwise to create a sandwich roll. You can also use your favorite bread or rolls. Spread condiments. Spread a thin layer of olive oil or mayonnaise on the inside of the bread. If you like a bit of heat, you can also add Dijon mustard or horseradish. Layer the roast beef. Place the loin roast beef slices evenly on one side of the bread. Ensure that the slices cover the bread surface. Add fresh vegetables. Layer lettuce leaves, tomato slices, and red onion slices on top of the roast beef. This adds freshness and crunch to the sandwich. Season, sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. You can also add other seasonings like dried oregano or thyme for extra flavor. Assemble the sandwich. Place the other half of the bread on top of the layered ingredients to complete the sandwich. Slice and serve if you prefer. You can slice the sandwich into smaller portions for easier handling. Use a serrated knife to get clean cuts. Enjoy! Your loin roast beef sandwich is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with your favorite side dishes or enjoy it on its own. Feel free to customize the sandwich to your liking by adding other ingredients such as cheese, pickles, or your favorite condiments. Enjoy your delicious loin roast beef sandwich.